Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. How are everybody? Well, this is Hasibul Hassan. I'm really pleased to come here in this beautiful morning. Actually, I'm not in the habit to speaking in public place. I'm really sorry for my ignorance. Anyway, I will try my best to say something regarding my topic. Today's topic is English fantasy environment. Firstly, I say English fantasy means English fantasy is learning language and for IELTS. Many many student and many student wish I go abroad and for higher study, and this way these people try this institute. And English fantasy is located Masjid supermarket in Mohammadpur, and there are many teacher here, and every teacher so kindly person and so understanding, and you have faced any problem and sir immediately solve this problem. And there are many students not understand to this topic and previous topic, and sir so kindly understand this and previous topic. The environment in English fantasy is so good for learning English purpose. You speak Bangla in this environment, and forward fine Tantaka. That's all for the time being. Thank you very much. Truly speaking, this was a very nice moment with you. If you have any question, you can ask me freely. I will happy to answer your question if I can. See you later. Until then, Allah Hafiz.